Hello to all the loyal TIA users and future TIA users out there. I'm TIA1. In this video, I'm going to show you a really fun feature of the TIA workspace. I call it Lora Stack-A-Lot. I believe many of you might have come across images like this, or this kind of secondary creation on the internet. Actually, it's quite simple. I believe that after watching this video, you'll be able to learn it. So, let's get started. Let's start with a simple example. Take a little girl named Mona, from who knows where, and transform her into Mona from Genshin Impact, dressed in a Japanese schoolgirl outfit. Step 1. Simply write Mona wears JK clothes in the prompt area. Click Generate. Alright, there it is. A girl with red clothes and black hair, completely unrelated to Mona from Genshin Impact. Okay, for the next step, let's add a Lora of Mona from Genshin Impact so that the AI can get to know who Mona is. Enter Genshin and find Mona. Simply click Generate. Alright, Mona has appeared. But Mona is not wearing a JK outfit. Next, let's add a Lora of a JK outfit. Let's first find a suitable Lora. Alright, let's go with this one. Click Generate, and let's look forward to the result. Alright, it's done. The outfit of Mona has changed, but it's not the JK style we were looking for. So, we can add some details to our prompts. Then click Generate again. Alright, it's done. A perfect image of Mona wearing a JK outfit has appeared. The above is suitable for beginners. Next, I'll focus on more advanced users and discuss the process of stacking Loras to get the desired image. Alright, first let's open the workspace. Enter the prompts for the image we want to generate. Then, enter the negative prompts. Okay, just click Generate. Alright, the image is out, but it has nothing to do with the female warrior I wanted. Moreover, the quality and the details of the hands are not well handled. To solve this problem, we can try fixing it by adding Loras. First, let's add a Lora called Better Hands. Using this Lora can help avoid some poor hand detail effects. Then, we increase the weight parameter to 1. Next, let's find a suitable checkpoint. I prefer using the Dreamy Remix V1 because I'm satisfied with its effects. Then, click Generate to see the result. The result is out, and it's much better than before. The outfit is more towards a warrior style, and the quality of the hand details has significantly improved. Then, let's continue adding Loras. This time, let's add a Lora with a female warrior style. Just click Generate and see the result. The image generated this time has a stronger warrior vibe, especially noticeable in the clothing. Let's continue adding Loras. This time, let's add an anime-style Lora. Then, simply click Generate. The result this time has a different overall style compared to before. But there's some distortion in the face because the anime style conflicts with the realistic style in the prompts. Let's adjust the weight parameters to fix this. Then, in the view loader below, let's select this one. Here, we can choose DPM. Then, let's increase this here. I'll explain these features in detail in future videos. If you're interested, please subscribe and stay tuned for updates. Alright, this time the result is much better than last time. Then, we can add another Lora. This Lora can fix some details and make them look more refined. Click Generate. This time, the overall style has improved a lot, but the clarity is still a bit low. We can open the Hires, Fix button to improve the image clarity. Here, I chose 3x high resolution, just because I have plenty of credits. Okay, click Generate. Perfect, I'm really satisfied with the quality this time. It's good enough to post. It's evident that both in detail and overall, it's truly perfect. To be honest, if there were a female warrior like this in real life, I would definitely pursue her. Just kidding. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you liked it and found it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to learn more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Let's wrap up the video with the great image we created today.
or pretend trust. It's not like grand trust. I hate a false trust. I ain't a false trust. So if you lost trust,